Recently, the United States Air Force signed a massive $250 million contract with the Southwest Research Institute, or SwRI. But this isn't for building new fighter jets or missiles. Instead, it's focused on something just as important but often overlooked: extending the life of the aircraft they already have. But why is the US doing this now, and how exactly do you extend the life of a fighter jet? Let's break it all down. The U.S. Air Force is partnering with SwRI under a flexible agreement known as an Indefinite Delivery, Indefinite Quantity Contract, or IDIQ. That means instead of placing one big order, the Air Force can request various services over time, up to a total of $250 million. The main goal? To study how aircraft systems and materials degrade over time, especially under stressful operational conditions. Based on this research, SwRI will help design better maintenance strategies, repair techniques, and upgrades that can stretch an aircraft's lifespan by several years, sometimes even decades. The work will take place in multiple locations, including the Air Force Academy in Colorado, and is expected to continue until 2032. Let's be honest, modern military aircraft are incredibly expensive. For example, a single F-35 jet can cost over $80 million. Replacing an entire fleet every few decades simply isn't affordable, even for a country like the US. So instead of replacing them, the military focuses on extending the life of what they already have. Planes like the B-52 bomber and the T-38 trainer have been in service since the 1950s and 60s, and many are still flying. Extending lifespan doesn't just save money. It also helps maintain a strong military presence while newer technologies are still in development. And it's not just about old planes. Even newer aircraft need to be maintained well if they are to last their intended 30 to 40-year lifespans. So, what kind of work is SwRI doing? A lot, actually. Their role is to research and test how different parts of an aircraft break down, from the fuselage and wings to the internal electronics and wiring. They use advanced tools like fatigue analysis, vibration testing, and three-dimensional modeling to simulate real-world wear and tear. This helps predict future problems, like cracks or corrosion, before they become dangerous. One great example is when SwRI responded to a critical issue in the T-38 jet. Engineers had discovered dangerous cracks near the cockpit area. SwRI quickly analyzed the issue and developed new inspection guidelines, helping the Air Force identify and fix over 100 aircraft before disaster struck. They also follow a framework called the 5 M's: measurement, modeling, monitoring, maintenance, and modernization, to ensure every part of the aircraft is functioning optimally. This contract isn't just about aircraft safety. It has huge strategic and economic implications. Strategically, extending aircraft lifespan keeps the Air Force mission ready without waiting for new aircraft production, which can take years or even decades. It also gives time to test and develop next-generation technologies like drone swarms or hypersonic fighters without leaving capability gaps. Economically, it supports American jobs and strengthens defense infrastructure. SwRI is a non-profit, but the project will create hundreds of engineering and technical jobs, especially in San Antonio, Texas, where they're headquartered. This shows how defense spending can stimulate innovation and local economies while improving military readiness. So, what does this mean in the long run? This deal reflects a shift in military thinking, from just buying new weapons to also preserving and improving the ones they already have. With rising global tensions, especially with powers like China and Russia, the U.S. wants to ensure its Air Force remains strong, reliable, and combat-ready, even if some of its jets are decades old. And that's where institutions like SwRI shine. Their work might not make headlines, but it silently powers one of the world's most advanced air forces, keeping jets flying longer, safer, and smarter. So while flashy new jets and hypersonic weapons grab the spotlight, it's contracts like these that form the real backbone of military strength. Extending the life of current aircraft isn't just smart, it's essential. And in the end, it's not just about saving money, it's about keeping the skies secure.